Hello everyone. Today we are at the factory of SoonSer. This is where the industrial grade SLA printers are built. So today we have Mass Pro 600, which is the industrial model, and we also have a Smart 400 for their office environment applications. So with Mass Pro 600, it is ideally used for, say, the tire mold industry, where we can use to make prototypes as well as also to manufacture molds. Then we also have this, which can be used for industrial applications and also for automotive applications. The build size of Mass Pro 600 comes with 600, 600, 400, and it's all CE and FCC certified. For example, the main advantages of these, which actually amazes me, are the prototypes which are made are so precise and accurate that it functionally fits as one model. And this can not only be used as a prototype but also as a functional part. And these kinds of products can be manufactured in volume. So these are for mass manufacturing also in low batches. So apart from Mass Pro 600, we have Smart 400. Smart 400 is again which is used for lab environments where people would want to start off or make some prototypes. So for example, so if these are the samples that you would want to make, be it for any R&D industry, I would highly recommend that we use Smart 400, as it comes with double filters which removes the odor, and it can also be customized to a lot of features which has advanced modules in it. All in all, I think this is a great package to have, and wish you all have a good day. Thank you.